Hi, how to export the print jobs in the queue to a CSV file. Now you can do this with a piece of software called Spool Queue Viewer++. The trial is on our website. The link is in the description of this video. So if you double click on the printer that you want to export the list, so it populates it here, so you can see all the information there. Now click on View, Create CSV Report for Printer Jobs, and that will create it for you. So now it will open it in Excel automatically. Then click on File, Save As, to save it as a new file name. And it's that simple. So you can do this for any printer, and also you can do it across all printers if you want to as well. So to do all printers, click on All Printers, create CSV report on all current print jobs. It will go through all the printers. So you can see it's listed all the printers that have print jobs on there, gives you a status, document name, the owner, the size, submitted, all the internal information of how many color as well, the job costing. So it's perfect for getting a summary across lots of different printers before the print. Download the trial, give it a try.